I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread donuts at home, full guide. Start by tearing bread into small pieces and soaking briefly in milk or milk alternative to soften. Add egg, sugar, salt, and a little flour for binding, then mix until cohesive. Shape into rounds, chill briefly, and choose frying or baking. Fry in hot oil for crisp exterior or bake for a lighter option, then glaze or dust with sugar. Gather simple pantry items and measure carefully to ensure consistent results. Use 3 cups of torn bread, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup sugar, and 1/2 teaspoons salt as a baseline. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons flour only if the mixture is too wet, and a splash of milk to adjust moisture. Mix gently to retain some air, shape into rounds, chill briefly, then cook by frying or baking until golden brown. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling great, and it pairs humorously with a fresh batch of donuts on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Monitor temperatures and timing to deliver consistent, tasty bread donuts every time. Keep frying oil at about 350 degrees F to avoid soggy results, and flip donuts once for even browning. Drain fried donuts on paper towels to remove excess oil, or cool baked versions on a rack. Apply glaze while donuts are still warm so it adheres nicely, then serve promptly for best texture and flavor with optional toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.